Sometimes the most challenging parts are the one that looks the simplest. Hi, I'm Lenny from SY Global Company. I like to share a story about one of long-term customers in the US automation industry and a challenging part we worked on together. This part is used in their fixture system. From the 3D drawing, it seemed like a very simple part. But when we reviewed the engineering drawing more carefully, we realized the challenge we faced. The part is very small and about 52 by 75 millimeters, but several key dimensions require tolerance within 0.0002 inches. It's made of 420 stainless steel and need heat treated in 32 to 42 HRC harness and with surface finish PVD tin coating. The more important that our customer actually produced this part internally before. Now they wanted to see if an external supplier could bring the cost down without compromising the quality. The target cost was about $40 per piece. Instead of quoting immediately, our engineer and production teams carefully reviewed the machining strategy, grading operation, and inspection requirements to understand what it takes to produce the part consistently. And then we had an online meeting with our customers to walk through the machining challenge together, adjusting the machining sequence and carefully controlling the grading process. We were able to stabilize the key dimensions and make the process suitable to production. In the end, the project moved forward successfully, and this project reminds us of something we often see in precision manufacturing. Sometimes the most challenging parts are the one that looks the simplest. If you are facing the similar machining challenge, feel free to reach out. We would love to support you.